Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change language on IQIYI application. Now for you to change the language, I'm going to show you how to change the language in subtitles and for you to change the language in the application itself. First thing you need to do is to launch the IQIYI application, which of course I have done right here. Next, where exactly can you find the IQIYI app? It is simple. Launch your Apple Store or Google Play Store depending on the device that you use and locate the search bar in the app. In the search bar, type IQIYI and follow through the on-screen instructions to download or install. After downloading or installing, it's going to take you right into a home page for the app. So check the bottom corner of the screen. You're going to find the Me icon. Click on that and it's going to take you to the next window where you're going to find the login/sign up button. Click on that and fill through the prompt to log in or to sign up. After doing that, it's now going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the app. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to change the language on IQIYI app as a subtitle or just the general language and just the general language in the app. So let's start with the general language in the app. From this homepage, head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have Home, Explore, Shop, Download in Me. So go ahead and click on Me, and once you click on Me, over here you have language. So click on language, and you have these languages that you can select. So select any of the languages that you want, and once you do that, your entire home screen is going to be changed and refreshed with a new language that you select from here. So this is how to change the general language in the app. But let's say you want to change the language while seeing a movie in IQIYI. So I'm just going to click on my movie that I'm watching. So of course you can click on any movie from the home page, but this is a movie I'm seeing. So I'm going to click on that. So I click on the movie to magnify it, and there's an ad that is playing at the moment. Let's wait for it to be done. So it's starting soon, and we're here. So when you click on the movie, and right below you have subtitles. So click on subtitles, and now you have a wide array of languages that you can change it to. So this is English, simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, Bahasa Malaysia, all the way down to Japanese. So as you can see, the languages here are different from the languages there. So you can change the languages here, and that's just pretty much it. That's how we can change the language and the subtitles and general language in the IQIYI app. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.